Pretty excited to show you my unboxing of my new camera, Insta360 X3, just recently released, and I'm gonna unbox it now. What do we have? It's a very sealed box. Okay, nicely sealed, and aside from this, we also have a free Insta360 122 cm selfie stick, invisible selfie stick. Pretty excited. Here we go. And here we go. So that's what we have. First thing what we see in the box is this. What we have is main cam. Okay, so it comes with this protection. I think I'm not gonna remove it. Yeah, I'm not gonna remove this. I'm gonna clean this instead and leave it there until it goes off by itself, I guess. But that has to be removed. So I have to purchase that screen guard or something. I mean lens guard or something. But the shop that I bought this at doesn't have the lens guard yet. So I have to wait. Go, beautiful. What do you think? I think it's a beauty. It's nice. Put you one side. And what else we have here? We have a box here. So what's inside the box? Let's find out. Okay, so first we have is the USB-C cable. And then what else we have is a pouch, I guess. It's a pouch. That a Insta360 pouch. Nice. This thing fits this thing in here, so if I don't use this, I'll keep this inside this and just nice and tight inside. Thing to be careful about is that since it's tight, right, the lens inside is subjected to some scratches. If you have some, yeah, that's nice. If you have some dirt, which is like sands or whatsoever inside this pouch, you have to be careful inside. And we have a slot for the charger, and while it's in the pouch, you can charge it in. Pretty neat. What else we have? I think that's all in the box. That's it. And oh yeah, I still have here some items. We have here is so that's a lens cleaner cloth. We got the Insta360 stickers. So quick start guide and some warranty and compliance information. So that's it. Put you back in. Put you inside. Next box is the Insta360 selfie stick, invisible selfie stick. And with this, it's a pretty simple package. Styrofoam. Oh, it's nice. So how do we do this? Oh, it's just a pull. It's not twist, it's pull. Pull all the way. Yeah, look at the wider look. So that's it. Yeah, it's like a 1/4 inch thread and both the tips, I have the option to do that, so I can mount this on a tripod. That's it, and very excited. What can I do with this? I need to know how to set this up, and I have to be careful, I guess, because I had few experiences with my gears whereby I was too excited and incorrectly set up. That's all for now. Cheers.